An interactive touch panel is a device used in the education sector. It is a special type of screen that is touch-sensitive, meaning you can interact with it by touching it with your fingers to perform various interactive activities. This device is very useful in the education sector, as it allows teachers to provide more education to their students. Teachers can use it to display text, images, videos, and other multimedia to showcase their lesson plans. The interactive touch panel ensures better communication between teachers and students. Students take more interest in it because it gives them the opportunity to participate directly in classroom activities related to their curriculum. With the help of this device, students can develop their creativity and find the right solution to problems. The interactive touch panel is an excellent tool for integrating new technologies into the education sector, making the learning process more engaging and effective.